This is a video on a 360-degree labral repair using two portals in the Percutaneous kit. Here I am looking through the posterior portal, and you can see a prior Bankart repair with a torn anterior-inferior labrum. I'm using the reel pass from Arthrex to spool in a shuttling suture. I'm then passing a number 2 fiber wire and creating a racking hitch suture. I'm drilling a pilot hole for a 2.9 push lock from Arthrex, impacting this in to reduce the labrum, then cutting the residual suture. I then repeat the process with the reel pass additional suture around the anterior-inferior labrum, drill a pilot hole on the glenoid rim, and then impact the push lock in to reduce the labrum. Use the reel pass again and pass a suture around the superior labrum posterior to the biceps for the slap repair. Shuttle the number 2 fiber wire. Then I use the Percutaneous kit from Arthrex. I use a long spinal needle in the kit, and then a dilator, and then the Percutaneous cannula. I then drill a pilot hole through the Percutaneous cannula, retrieve the suture and load up the push lock, and then impact the push lock in. I repeat it again to make a second anchor to repair the posterior slap tear. Again, I'm looking posteriorly using the Percutaneous cannula. Now I have switched portals to look posteriorly from the anterior portal. I again use the reel pass to repair the posterior labrum, shuttle suture, and then impact the push lock. Repeat it one final time, drill the pilot hole, and then impact the push lock in. And this is a 360-degree labral repair of the anterior-inferior labrum, posterior labrum, and superior labrum.